Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am back with another Pokemon ball build, and this is Meowth. So, we're going to build him and maybe have a chat as we're building him. Get this out of the box there. I got one more of these to build after that, and that will be Bulbasaur. Like I said in my other builds, these half of the balls are not going to be Pokeballs. I mean, I could use them as a Pokeball, but I actually have a purpose for these in a mock that I'm going to be making, so that's down the road. So, that's down the road, and we're going to be doing that. It's for the amusement park, of course, and this little Meowth has got a lot of parts to him. Wowzers. He's got a lot of parts to him. So, we're going to try to get this done as best we can. Quickly, of course. These are cool little mini builds. I don't care what anybody says, these are actually pretty cool to build. I've never built one before, so it's really interesting to build one. I shouldn't say I've never built one before. I haven't built any of these Pokemon since I started this little series here of building the Pokeballs. And I just wanted to try and do that. So, yeah, they are different. They're different little things to build, but they are unique in their own way. So, kind of fun actually. Okay, so yeah, this one that builds a little bit different than the others. A little bit different leg things going on here. My fingers are a little bit bigger than normal. Well, and things don't want to work sometimes with my fingers. So I gotta, you gotta bear with me here as I build some of these things. But in general, everything looks pretty good. And we turn him around, we put his feet on him that way. Okay. And we got them to go in there. Nope. How the heck do those go on? Okay. Yeah. Dims don't go on there. That's that one. And that's that one. And they're supposed to go on. There's no way. They don't. It ain't happening. Okay. That is weird. So, let's take that piece there, A piece goes on there. And we have that one goes in there. And we have the red or brown piece goes on. And then the red piece. And then this cap. Like so. And it goes in there like that. That's pretty cool. There is Meowth. That's a pretty cool character. But for some reason, these hands... Oh, wait now. It has to go on that way. Okay, that was my bad. I was trying to put them on the other way, and it didn't make any sense. But, yeah, okay. Now it makes total sense. And there's this... Tail just fell off. If I don't get that on, he's all going to fall off. Okay, so there he is. Now we're in business. All right, there is Meowth. Not a cool Pokemon. Alright, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This was my little Pokemon build series, and I've got one more to do, and that will be the end of the series. Builds, there'll be 4 of them, so that's it. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.